YoursPlants is an innovative company focused on growing great quality flowers and plants. We are the largest wholesale nursery grower. In addition to company-owned fields and greenhouses, we work with over 15 farm families who grow plants for us. We have 10 acres of company associate fields in production and 7 acres of company associate greenhouses. Our farm families grow more products for us in over 5 acres of greenhouses. These growing facilities produce an estimated 2 million annuals, including 1.5 million indoor and 1 million outdoor plants. It all starts with our special potting mix. YoursPlants uses coconut coir, which comes from the fibrous middle part of the fruit. This is a more sustainable alternative to normal soils, which releases carbon dioxide when harvested and take a long time to grow back. After the coconut coir arrives at YoursPlants, we rehydrate it. It is then ground and mixed with vermicompost and organic fertilizers in the pots. Workers then gently flatten this special potting mix by hand to get an even spread. As per research, this unique potting mix used by YoursPlants provides the following advantages. Provides the hardness required by the plants to survive and sustain for a long time. Does away with the requirement of any fertilizer for at least the next 6 months. This way the plants have the best chance of survival till they reach the end customers. Next, the pots head over to the production area to get their young plants. Growers place the sapling into pots. When the product is primed for shipment, it is loaded from the greenhouses and fields and shipped fresh to Amazon or Flipkart distribution centers. From there it is carted for delivery to the individual and bulk buyers. We serve within just a few hours, thus ensuring customers get fresh and local plants.